A beautiful day to you, beautiful people, in the beautiful city of Lagos and the rest of the world. I won't forget that. My audience is not just in Lagos, but across the globe. So, how has it been? I know you have enjoyed the previous series. Starting from today, we'll start giving you particles, rich particles on web design. Around 1960, when the government established what is called the internet for the purpose of research, we had nothing like websites. We only had the APRANet then that later gave birth to the internet. After about 29 years of discovering the internet, my brother, your brother, Sir Berners-Lee, or should I give the full name, Sir Tim Berners-Lee, invented the World Wide Web around October 1989, towards the end of 1989. So he invented the World Wide Web just to solve the problem of people visiting one computer with one kind of resource to another computer with a different kind of resource. So he decided to put all of them together for us to have what is called the URI, Universal Resource Identifier, which all of us know as Universal Resource Locator. So it was a very huge and big discovery. And that is why anybody that wishes to establish any kind of business, you need a web page. So, what is web design? Web design is a process of creating websites. Simple. It encompasses several different aspects, including web page layouts, content production, graphic design, and so forth. Why sometimes websites, web design, web development are used interchangeably, I want to tell you that the real name, the governing name is web development. Under web development, we have web design because we will not just design and leave. We will design, update the content. So that's why we have content developer. We have content developer as a career in web design. We have the web design, but all of them are referred to as what? Web development. Once you are a content developer, fine. But when you are a web designer, you can also develop content. SEO, SMO, we'll talk about that during the series. Now, I am privileged to let us know that websites are designed using what is called HTML and CSS. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, while CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. So these two tools are useful in web design. Many a person decides to hand code pages from the scratch to the finish. But throughout the series, starting from today, I shall be taking you through what is called Wysiwyg Editor using various web design packages. I won't mention some packages now, but we are going to be seeing some packages subsequently. When I say Wysiwyg, 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 what you see is what you get. So it's editor that you just use off the shelf, fitly what you need, design what you want to design, reshape it without coding. That is what you are going to learn. So while we are talking about this, let's find out some of the features. For example, there is no way you want to build a house without finding out what the structure will look like. So the web design has a very good structure. For example, you have a home page. This is a simple web structure. From the home page, you have connected to a button. Once you log in, you see the menu there, a button or about us, projects, contacts. Under the project, you have project 1, 2, 3. If you have sub projects, still put them there. This is the structure. This is what you want it to be. You design them so that when you are designing, you know what you're going to do. At times, we have structures that are complex. Just see this. This is a company's structure, and it can be on the website too. You know what to do and how to get there. You you working on the system or designer, you have your office. This is where you are working behind. But how will those who visit the page, how will they see your work? That is the user interface. UI. You can see you are the right side of the computer, you are there working on the computer, but those who want to use it, how will they see you? This is what they see. These are the two persons visiting your page. So we also consider the user interface. While we are talking about the user interface, we pay attention to ergonomics, coloration. How will the color look like? Will the color be flashing? Will it blind someone's eyes? So we work on that. So like the ergonomics, how we navigate the pages. These are mobile layouts. We talk about layouts presently. So how do we navigate from where to where? We should put this into consideration so that people will be able to go through our site without stress. Like I said earlier on, there is no way you want to build a house, you will not consider the layouts, the plan, the design. And that is why we have website layouts. How will it look like? Some people call it theme. Yes, we are going to talk about theme later on. We have the sidebar, the footer bar, the header, the footer, etc. What should be done on a web page? We will take you through all of these in this series, starting from today. Every Monday, watch out for posts or updates of this series, Web Design. We'll be giving you some tidbits on how to make your business to stand out. You students, do you know you can start pay your bills and supporting your parents when you have a web page promoting a business? That passion you have, you can have a one-site web page that will make the business to move and you get your money. No problem. As time goes on, I will let you know how to make money from a web page. Whether it's a blog or one page website or multiple pages website, I will let you know how to make money. This better you start now than waiting till you grow old like me. All right. So let's get the ball rolling and do not forget, every Monday watch out for videos like this on web design until the series is over. You can't afford to miss it. It is your boy Joel. Remain blessed and highly favored until we see you again.